Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. So this week I'm going to do a Aztec tribal nail tutorial, inspired nail tutorial for you guys this week. So before I continue on and do what I do and you continue watching, go down below and subscribe, please, right down below, and hit that great notification bell so you'll be notified for all the other videos that I do. And like this video, just go ahead and like it and share it, and thanks so much. So let's get started with this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So to begin with, put 2 coats of the colors that I show you for each nail, and then the 2 middle nails is going to be a little different, so I'm going to draw something on there and then apply the 2 coats. So I draw 2 hearts like this on both nails. Try to get them even as possible, and then you want to fill in with that same color around the rest of it. So the middle 2 nails are done. Just gonna leave it like that. It looks cool. What I'm going to do last is all the same on the index finger, pinky, and thumb. I'm gonna do some lines. That's the basic way to say it. Some lines on there, and put some diamond nail beads on each nail and get this wrapped up. So now it's time to put on some nail beads on these 3 nails. You can leave it here and be done and put a top coat on, but if you want to be a little extra like me, add some diamonds. left to do is a top coat. So you guys, what do you think about this Aztec tribal inspired nail tutorial? I thought it was really simple and cool and not too hard to do. So thanks so much for watching if you have gotten this far. If you haven't already and if you're new here, just go down below and subscribe please. I appreciate it so much. And give this video a like and share it and all that good stuff that people do on here. Don't forget to hit that gray notification bell down below as you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.